Where are my bird people at? This is my deck. This is where we're outside all the time, and that right there is Mama. Excuse me. Mama has built her nest somewhere unfortunate. Let's move this out of the way. Yeah, now she's chirping. This is Mama's nest. I'm not gonna look in there, but I'm assuming the video will tell me if there's an egg in here. That's a beautifully done nest. Look at that, it's perfect. I know, Mama. I know, Mama. You built your nest too close to my home. When I get too close, and you come out, you get scared. So what do I do?